You all know my love for retinol. It is a perfect ingredient for you if you want to age gracefully. This Pond's Age Miracle Whipped Cream is one such affordable option which you can start using if you are in your early or mid-20s. Its creamy, lightweight and non-sticky texture is very unique and sinks right into the skin. Let me show you an experiment to show how lightweight and airy it is. Told you all, it's so airy and lightweight that it bounced right back to the surface of the water. It also has hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3 which helps to energize dull skin and gives a youthful glow by increasing the production of collagen.